Hi, let's calculate the IVC of this stock. So for the calculation of IVC, we required some essential inputs. तो पहला आ जाता है शेयर होल्डिंग इक्विटी, सेकंड पे है शेयर आउटस्टैंडिंग, थर्ड पे है डिविडेंड, फोर्थ पे है ग्रोथ, फिफ्थ पे है रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी, सिक्स्थ पे है डिस्काउंट एंड मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी. टू कैलकुलेट द IVC of the stock, we have to perform some calculation in 5 steps. Step first, future value of stockholder equity. Step second, divide by the number of share. Step third, multiply by return on equity. Step 4, divide by discount. Step 5, net present value. Now check out the profit and loss statement with some essentials. So first we have to check net growth, sales growth, OPM, price to earning. After this, just put down the fixed asset expenditure value and remove the negative sign from it to calculate the perfect value. Now we required some ratios which are very essential for the calculation of IVC in the valuation of the company. So let's calculate it one by one. EBITDA margin, gross profit margin, EBIT margin, return on equity, net profit margin, EPS, DU point on return on equity, net profit margin, sales total asset, financial leverage, DU point ROA, net profit margin, sales and total asset, and also include the valuation metrics: price to earning, price to book, price to cash flow, price to sales, enterprise value, EV upon EBITDA. Now we have to check the performance of the stock or performance of the company from the sheet. Just check out net profit, dividend payout, retained earning, and also inspect the stock CAGR of 10 years and stock CAGR of 5 years, which includes the profit after tax and capital employed ratios. Now it is very important to check whether the company have the cash flow or not. So for that you have to check the free cash flow ratio or growth 1 to 5 years of the company, and the most important, cash and bank balance of the company, investment ratio and investment of the company, debt ratio and debt of the company, which help you to find out whether the company is suitable for investment or not. With the Buffett indicator, you have to check out average sustainable PE after applying the ratios, and you have to check the current PE of the stock and compare it from average sustainable PE. Now to calculate the IVC, just follow the 5 steps. Step 1, fair value of stockholder equity. Step 2, divide by the number of share. Step 3, multiply by ROE, that means return on equity. Step 4, divide by discount. Step 5, net present value. Most important, don't forget to apply the margin of safety. अगर आप भी चाहते हैं ऐसे ही आप किसी भी इंडियन कंपनी का इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना, तो आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू शीट, ताकि आप भी फाइंड आउट कर सकें बेस्ट कंपनी जो कि आपको अच्छे मूवमेंट और अच्छे स्विंग प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. वी विल मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो एंड फाइंड आउट द बेस्ट स्टॉक एंड द वैल्यूएशन ऑफ IVC with the help of IVC calculator. See you soon. Bye bye.